Hi everybody, I'm Teresa.
And I'm Carpenter.
And we are We Crazy? And today we are in front of the battleship USS Wisconsin here in Norfolk, Virginia. And it's been a little while since we've talked to y'all. We've just been getting settled into our new home and doing a little bit of renovations on the home, especially this guy over here.
Oh, yeah.
And then I did some traveling in El Salvador, as many of you may have seen on my page. But this was a great chance for us to use some time off that I had to do some staycation time and get to know our own city.
Yeah, it's been nice getting to know our own city because, you know, most of the time you think of a vacation and you go out somewhere else, but we really haven't explored Norfolk at all yet and kind of the area around us, so it's been nice.
It really has. So we went to Fort Monroe, then we went to a water park yesterday, and today we are on this amazing battleship, which was originally, I believe, commissioned in 1943 and then came here in 2000 to Norfolk, Virginia. And wow, so much to see inside this ship and outside the ship, really. It's a battleship. It's got the wooden decks. Inside, we visited so many different places, a lot of staterooms, berthing. We got to see a bunch of different galleys, the chief's mess, even the jail. And then my favorite, the library. I always love seeing libraries and reading, but just been an amazing journey to just get to know our own city and see some places that, you know, remind me of my naval history as well. So that's always very meaningful to me, and getting to do this with this guy over here.
Yeah, so it's been fun, and now we get to check out the museum.
Yeah, so take care, guys. Just want to give you guys a little quick update of what we've been up to. Hopefully we'll be doing a little bit more traveling and sharing some more of our adventures in the future, but just a quick check-in to say hi and hope you all are doing well, and take care now.
Bye.
Bye. Hey guys, just want to check back in with you and let you know that today we had an amazing cruise. It was a lunch cruise on City Cruises, which goes all throughout downtown Norfolk and by the Navy ships and some container ships, and just an amazing day. And I think it's really important to have these kind of breaks while you're working, is to take a little time off and enjoy the city that you live in instead of sometimes taking a vacation. These past few months have just been so busy with work and going away. And then I started a podcast. It was called Stories of Service, Ordinary People Who Do Extraordinary Work. And I have been very busy. I've had 14 guests so far since I launched August 26th. And I will put a link to the description, but if you guys want to follow that, I would be so honored to have you all as a listener. You can find it where you listen to podcasts and on my YouTube page, so we'll link to that as well. All right, guys, had a great day out here on the water, and talk to y'all later. Bye.